Heavy snowfall blanketed much of western Canada and the United States' northwest, with as much as 15 inches of snow in some areas. The weather office is warning of more bad weather. The storm forced a shutdown of schools and public transport systems across regions that include Vancouver and British Columbia, that is still rebounding from an earlier storm. Meanwhile, in the United States, Washington reported snowfall up to 30 centimeters in some areas. The administration has ordered snow removal plows to work around the clock. In New York, residents are struggling to keep up with the unprecedented snowfall. The Weather Office has issued alerts for New York over severe snowstorms expected in the coming weeks.